The country is in an uproar following the tragic death of 11-year-old Adriana Younge, whose lifeless body was discovered in a swimming pool at a double-day hotel in Tuschen, Bank Essequibo. Countrywide protests have erupted, some turning very uncivil in nature. Opposition Member of Parliament Amanza Walton Desir questions whether security firms had permission to wear ski masks during an unruly protest at Tuschen, Bank Essequibo. During this unruly event, numerous civilians interacted with private armed security firms whose identities were concealed by balaclavas. At the 102nd sitting of the National Assembly, Desir raised the question of whether the Ministry of Home Affairs had given consent to the private security firm to provide law enforcement services. But Walton Desir, the Speaker of the National Assembly, sidestepped the issue.
That is very simple, and it is a yes or no answer.
And while it might be simple, it's important, and the urgency criterion at this point, in my view, then make it qualifying.
Mr. Speaker, I want to put on record.
Thank you very much, Honourable Member. We need to move on.
Walton Desir, in an interview with Nightly News, pointed out that the Speaker showed a lack of respect for the submitted question and revealed his uncouth behavior to the nation.
They had security guards heavily armed with bulletproof vests, etc., and their faces obscured by ski masks. Now, there is no provision for that in the laws of Guyana unless permission has been granted pursuant to the Private Security Services Act.
The opposition Member of Parliament agitated that the Speaker was out of order and he could have simply deferred the question to the Minister of Home Affairs to give a direct answer, but instead disallowed it.
And all that was required was for the minister to stand up and say, yes, we gave permission, no, we did not give permission. Again, just a callous disregard for law, for order, for decency, for transparency.
I am Antonio Day reporting for the HGP Nightly News.